So you plug in your iPhone and suddenly you see this message, charging not available, liquid has been detected in the lightning connector. If this happens, don't panic. Your iPhone is warning you that moisture has been detected in the charging port and forcing a charge could cause damage. So welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will guide you on how to fix charging not available, liquid has been detected on iPhone. In my case, I dropped my phone into a pool, and as soon as I plugged it in, this alert popped up. Now, you might see an option to emergency override and continue charging, but I strongly recommend not doing that. Charging your phone while moisture is still present can permanently damage the port or even cause internal issues. So, what should you do instead? The best approach is to let your iPhone air dry naturally. Sometimes, if the phone was only lightly exposed to moisture, it can dry out within 1 to 2 hours. But if it was fully submerged, drying completely can take up to 24 hours. To speed things up, gently shake the phone to help remove any excess liquid. You might even see tiny water droplets come out of the charging port. That's it. Once the port is completely dry, your iPhone should start charging normally again. If the message still appears after 24 hours, there could be lingering moisture or, in rare cases, hardware damage. So you may need professional help. And that's all about it. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.